Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by registering the key for your Windows account. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and you're signed in as an administrator. Insert or tap the FIDO2 security key now. Windows will prompt Add a security key under Sign-in options. Once prompted, choose PIN or Windows Hello fallback and follow the on-screen chooser to claim the device. This step links the physical key to your Microsoft account and local sign-in, so do it on the machine you'll use most. Once the registration flow begins, create a secure PIN when prompted. This PIN unlocks the key locally and prevents misuse if stolen. Touch or tap the key when the LED pulses to confirm presence. That's the cryptographic confirmation step. Give the key a descriptive name so you can distinguish it from backups. If you have another key, register it now to avoid lockout. After Windows confirms registration, lock your PC and test, signing in with the new key to verify the full path works. Finish by cleaning up other sign-in methods. Keep one reliable fallback like PIN or a secondary key. If sign-in fails, make sure the key firmware is up to date. Try a different USB port or NFC position, and confirm Bluetooth or USB drivers are current. If Windows won't recognize the key, rerun Add a security key to re-register, or try the manufacturer's utility to reset firmware. Only reset the key if you have recovery options, because resetting erases all registered accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.